Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Here is a good news from the Honorable High Court of Orissa. On 23/9/2022, single judge Debabrata Das, Debabrata, normally we call as Debabrata, Debabrata Das went on a spree of delivering 32 judgments from the bench on a single day, 23/9/2022. Kudos to the Honorable Justice. You may be knowing there are about 1,72,301 cases pending by 23/9/2022 in the Honorable High Court of Odisha. Of course, that is a common feature. You all know that even the Supreme Court lakhs of cases, in the lower courts crores of cases they are pending. But there are some few judges who want to clear off the pendency, to clear off the backlog. Debabrata Das is one such honorable judge. On that day, he went on a marathon pronouncement of judgments, one by one, helping to clear the backlog to a certain extent. 32 judgments. Out of them, major cases are second appeals. First appeal, second appeal, you know what is second appeal? Please remember, there should be substantive question of law to be decided. That only the second appeal comes. I think in the class I told you that in Ongole, the second appeal of 1996 is still pending. But there are more senior cases in this court. One such case is Jayadayal Agarwal versus Jogeshwar Meher. It is pending in the court. The second appeal is pending from 1988. Originally, the case was instituted in the lower court in the year 1982. Of course, the first appeal went in on 18/7/1988. So anyway, the second appeal is pending from that date, 18/7/1988. So even the result is the appeal is dismissed. Whatever it is decided. The second appeal, our second case, only I am giving few examples. We can't go on dealing all these cases. Another important case is belonging to 1999, in which the district collector Kalahandi, he moved a case against Prahalad Agharia and others for encroachment of government land. This second appeal has been admitted because, please remember, encroachment by private persons, nowadays it stands invalid. It's allowed. Likewise, he has allowed the appeals in 4 or 5 cases. Of course, you will be seeing the judgments uploaded into the so-called computer, uploaded to the website, maybe within 2 or 3 days. You may be wrong. There are about 23 judges in the Orissa High Court, and lot of pendency cases are there. Very recently, Honorable Supreme Court of India, during that Corona time also, stated that the writ petitions, the public interest litigations, they are taking away most of the time. The public interest litigations, most of them are publicity interest litigations, they have become. So actually, they have urged the so-called pill lawyers like Mahesh Sharma or Prashant Bhushan to cool their activity for some time. Here in Orissa case also, please remember, there are about maybe 67 to 66 cases. They are all writ petitions filed under Article 226 or Article 227 of the Constitution of India. About 1 month back or so, Law Minister of Odisha State, I think his name is Jagannath Saraka, he stated that about 1 lakh cases have been pending in the High Court for the past 15 years. Anyway, we have to appreciate the activeness or the inquisitiveness of the Honorable Judge Debabrata Das in helping to clear the pendency. If the other judges also are like that, definitely the pendency may not be totally reduced, definitely it can be reduced to some extent. That too, please, deciding a second appeal, it's most important. Our legal points are involved. Definitely, to allow the appeal, it may not be difficult, but to dismiss the appeal definitely takes a lot of time. He has to use the so-called skill of brain. Anyway, once again, we have to appreciate the activity and kudos to Honorable Justice Debabrata Dasa. So if any judges, if any judges see this, please get enthusiasm or encouragement from this man and try to dispose of as many cases as follows. But the vigor should not go. The judgment should be perfect. Okay, thank you.